What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna unbox 10 kg haul from ACBUY. All of the links for the items will be on description and comment section. Please check it out. If you haven't signed up to ACBUY, then the link will be on description to sign up. So this parcel took about 7 days to arrive at my door. Let's get to the unboxing. So for the first item, I got a Nike sweatpants, which also fits baggy. So I ordered size XL and I'm 5'9" for reference. And the price for the sweatpants are only $11 and it's the best item I have found for the price. So talking about quality on this are very good compared to it's only $11. Second item I got is a Nike X Stussy long sleeves and the price was $27. You get all the details on this like Nike tags and Nike shoes. Stitching is very well done too and the quality is very good too. This is the bag and we got Stussy printed on it and the print quality is good too. And I got size M and it fits well for me. Next we got gallery department denims and the price on this was only $16. Only $16 for this quality and details on the jeans. I think it's a steal price. It's quite thin but can't complain for what we got for the price. And the paint on it never goes off after washing too. Next we got Supreme Air Max shoes. Price on this was $30 and the quality on these are good too for the price. We can see every details are on place where it should be. Stitching are well done too. Next we got two emanuel shorts. The price on this were $11 each. Every details on the shorts are perfect and the quality is thick too compared to $2 emanuel shorts. Then we got a Saint tee. It was $11 for the tee. Quality again good, print is good and high quality too. And this is the back of the tee. Next we got gallery department tee. It was $9 for the tee. Again, good quality and high quality print. Totally worth it. Next we got this tee. It was $12 for it and the quality good again. Details are good too. Next we got some chrome socks and supreme socks. They were each $2 for each, and we got some tank top just for $1 each. Very worth it. Thank you guys for watching the video till end, and if you like the video, please leave a like. Peace.